Hello, my name is Amy Down, and I am a pediatrician, and I work in both Red Wing and Cannon Falls. Well, I grew up in Red Wing, Minnesota, went to high school there, and from that point kind of traveled around the Midwest. I went to college at St. Olaf College, then went to medical school down in Kirksville, Missouri, did my residency at the Marshfield Clinic in Wisconsin, and just kind of toured around. After that, I spent 10 years practicing in Oregon and then came back to be closer to home. You know, when I first started medical school, I was interested in family practice, but I found out the thing that I loved the most was working with the kids and working with the families. And so I kind of did a year of family practice residency and then transitioned completely over to pediatrics at that point. I like, getting up every day and working with families. I like the dynamic of working with kids of all ages, working with their parents, and kind of helping them be as healthy as they can be. I consider myself a general pediatrician, meaning I don't have like one specific area that I focus on. I like to deal with a variety of different things. I do especially enjoy the babies and working with moms that are breastfeeding and kind of starting out their new family is something I enjoy. If I was to describe myself to a new patient, I'd probably say that I'm a good listener. I enjoy spending time with my patients and their parents. I like kind of the interaction and the give and take and try to build that relationship and that trust and bond between them. I think the most important thing is that I offer accessibility. There's no silly question, there's no wrong way to go. I'll give you my best advice and to help you decide what you feel is best for your child, but I want to help you make that informed decision and work together as a team. The best thing that I like working about Mayo Clinic Health System is probably the team of people that I work with. I enjoy working with the nurses in both Red Wing and Cannon Falls, working with the physicians, having all the minds kind of working together to help our patients. Because we are part of the Mayo Clinic Health System, it's very easy to access records in Rochester. We can talk to any of the subspecialists that we might need if you have questions. We can do consults over the computer and make things easy so you might not even have to go down to Rochester to have a consultation with a specialist. There's all sorts of fun things you can do with that connection. I am married. My husband Jason's a veterinarian. We have one son who's 4.5 years old. But that means that I spend a lot of time outside chasing him around. So right now that's probably my biggest interest of the moment. But I love to read, I like to go on hikes. We have a couple dogs that we like to be outside.